What's up, guys? It's been Jamming Outdoors. So I'm making this video just as an update. There's a few things that happened in the past few days that kind of slowed my work down. So I was riding this CBR, the one I've been working on for so long, put so much work into. I was riding it around the road, probably about 20 miles an hour, just 100 foot from my place, and the brakes seized up, the front brakes in particular. So that caused me to go down. It wasn't that bad. I just got scraped up on my shoulder, around my hip, and my arm a little bit. But it ruined a lot of the work I put into it. As you can see, it ruined the headlight. It damaged it. I'm actually putting a new case cover on there. It actually scraped up the frame, the fresh powder coat job that I did, and obviously the case cover got damaged. And upper fairing stay got damaged, and a little bit of the subframe got damaged, just a little scraped up. It'll be covered up, so it's not gonna be that big a deal. I'm not exactly sure when I'll have it completely done, just because of this complication. This was supposed to be done the next week or so, but these parts that I had to order again are gonna take longer to come. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to get to it. I'm gonna try to repaint the frame just with some regular paint. I'm really aggravated that ruined that powder coat job. I need to flush the brakes and figure out what went wrong. Might have to get new calipers, but we'll see. So that's a little update for y'all. So I'll probably be working on the Gixxer 1000 next, or I might keep working on the YZ450. Not exactly sure yet. I got some other stuff I can work on while I'm waiting on parts. But this was not something that I planned, but you gotta make do with what happens. So hope I can get the CBR done sooner rather than later. But thank y'all for sticking around and watch my videos.